Hello, welcome to this short guide on how to enable multi-factor authentication on your eLearn account. Prior to this time, all you needed to access eLearn is just your username and password. However, after setting up a multi-factor authentication, you will need an additional code before you are allowed access to your learning account. So let's jump right into the setup process. As usual, when you are on this page, log into your account using your username and password, which is your matriculation number and whatever you set as your password. When it loads up, you will see something similar to what I have here. When you get to this page, a code would have been sent to your NOUN email, which you would need to type into this box and click on verify code before you can proceed. However, if you did not receive any code, click on I didn't receive a code and you will be taken to your dashboard. While you are here, you'll be given a grace period to complete the setup process that we will go through shortly. Now head to the top right hand corner of your screen and click on your profile. Select Preferences, then click on Multi-Factor Authentication Preferences. What we're about to do is to download an application that will always provide that code that we need to access our eLearn account anytime we log in. There are three options here: the Twilio Authy, Microsoft Authenticator, and Google Authenticator. For this demo, we'll make use of the Google Authenticator. Now click on Setup App. Type in your preferred device name into this box. It could be Samsung or iPhone, but in this video, I will use Phone 1. At this point, head to your smartphone to download the app. I use an iOS device, so I will head to the App Store, click on Search and type in Google Authenticator and install it. After installing the app, open it, tap Get Started and select Sign In and enter your NOUN email and password. While you're in, select or tap the plus icon, select Scan a QR code and place your camera over the QR code on eLearn and enter the code that it provides into the second box and click on Save Changes. And that's it. So the next time you need to log in to eLearn, you enter your username and password as usual, then open your Google Authenticator app to get the code that you need to access your account. There you have it. If you have any issues with your account, please raise a ticket by going to support.nou.edu.ng. Thank you.